Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Are you looking for a reliable solution to view and migrate Thunderbird mailbox into Office 365 account? If yes, watch this few minutes video specially designed for Thunderbird to Office 365 migration. Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 Email Forensics Wizard on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select Thunderbird Accounts. Select Open Thunderbird Configured Account if you have Thunderbird application running on your machine. Otherwise, select Choose Folder option to upload emails without Thunderbird installation on your system. Wait, as the software is analyzing the Thunderbird folders. The tool lists all the Thunderbird mailboxes in the software interface. The compact view helps you to hide system folders. Also, the root folder to facilitate the conversion. So, enable it as per your need. Here, click on the Thunderbird mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the Thunderbird folder are listed one by one. Next, click on the desired email to view in the software panel. This way you can preview the Thunderbird emails with all the elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. This famous application also allows you to save Thunderbird folder into multiple saving options. Moreover, you can extract phone numbers, email addresses, phone numbers from the Thunderbird mailbox. So, let's click on the Export tab and select Office 365 to do Thunderbird to Office 365 migration. Now, please select the desired Thunderbird mailbox and deselect the rest folders. As you see, there are many options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. The first one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is append to default folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to sent, and more. It allows user to insert emails into default mail folders. Now, enter the name of the folder that you want to create an Office 365 account containing Thunderbird emails in the Backup Folder Name tab. Then, fill the email address of your Office 365 account and password. After all, click on the Save button to start the process of Thunderbird to Office 365 migration. The utility provides live migration in the software panel, as you can see. The demo edition of the software allows you to export only 10 items from Thunderbird folder to Office 365 account. Click on the OK button. Finally, go to your Office 365 account. You will see a folder named as Exported. Tap on it and get the Thunderbird emails with all properties. That's all for this video. We hope you understand how to view and migrate Thunderbird emails to Office 365 account. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.